Yesterday, before I went shopping for groceries, I came across the YouTuber Amazing Graze boards. You know, like a teenager grazing through your house, eating all your food. This is my effort to do a charcuterie board for Jordan's Amazing Grace boards. Apple cinnamon flavored almonds, blueberries, raspberries, marinated mozzarella, prosciutto. It's a mozzarella cheese and basil roll with prosciutto. Fuego Colby Jack, Medora date rolls, cacao and pecans. But I'm an RV. I'm a cheap guy. So this is my board. Let's put this together and see what it looks like. Gotta pick up 2 other items. Pita Thins, sea salt, Divina fig spread. Here's a RVer's version of a charcuterie board. Or maybe you want to call it a redneck charcuterie board. Now I'm being silly. A charcuterie board for my dog. We're just being lazy. And our Amazing Grace,